another edition of Aviation Insights. My name is Abidin and with me is Jide. We're talking about some various parts of an airplane. And we know basically an airplane is just a machine that flies on air. We have an helicopter, we have a fixed wing. So this is a TB9. It's a people-made aeroplane. These are the wings. And here around the wings, there's something they call the aileron. There's something they call the flap. Something they call the slat. This is the four pump. This is the tail section of the aeroplane. This is a stabilizer, horizontal and vertical stabilizer. But before I go deeply into this, I'll just give you an insight about myself. I studied aerospace engineering. I had this passion of airplanes. I want to do something meaningful with what I have to impact to aviation system. I'll tell you about my project in school. My project was to design a drone. We were three actually. I was handling the structural aspect. We designed a drone for military purpose, and the drone is to take off within the duration of 2 minutes. It has to be dismantled into the box. The sensors like the camera, the radar are embedded in the system. So that's just to tell you that in Nigeria, we do have smart people that can actually change the aviation system, which are employed. If you get talent in any way, just let's come together and redefine the aviation system. So the aviation system is going to be a way of making means for Nigeria as a people. This is where the passenger stays. They call it the fuselage. That's the compartment where luggages, fuselage, they're embedded in. So this is the door. This is like a way of opening the door, but that's not what we're going to talk about. We'll still. This is just a brief insight of the things that happen in aviation. The whole vicinity here is an airstrip where we park aeroplanes. Maintenance sections have been taking place, and that's the hangar in aviation college. That's the hangar. That's where they repair, maintain, and keep airplanes. Yeah, so our next video will explain the aerodynamics of an airplane. I'll give you an insight. What makes an airplane fly? There are four forces that makes an airplane fly. We have the drag, we have the lift, we have the thrust, we have the weight. Yeah, and the thrust is being propelled by the engine. The lift is being propelled by the wings, just like a bird. Everybody wants to fly like a bird. So, and an aeroplane is designed from the concept of a bird, and we have the weight. When luggages are embedded in the weight, you drop the weight, and the lift pulls the aircraft. But our next video will tell you more about aeroplane. So stay tuned, watch out for the next video, and thank you.